Have you ever looked at a dataset and wondered what insights you could uncover? Before we dive into complex data analysis techniques, we need to first understand the foundation, basic statistics. Without statistics, numbers are just numbers, but with statistics, they tell a story. In this module, we'll cover what statistics is and why it matters in data analysis, the different types of data we work with. Then we'll get into the details about how to measure the center of a dataset, which means mean, median, and mode. Also, we'll go to the details about how to measure the spread of data using range, variance, standard deviation, etc. Then we'll get into the details about how to understand the shape of a dataset. Skewness and kurtosis comes into play. We'll also go to the details about how to measure relationships between different variables. Correlation is an example for relationship between different variables. By the end of this module, you will not only understand these concepts but also apply them using Pandas with real world data. Let's understand why is this important. Imagine you are working as a data analyst for a car dealership. The company wants to know the average sales price of their cars, the variation in prices, and how different sales reps are performing. Without statistics, you would have no structured way to answer these questions. Businesses such as car dealerships rely on statistics to make data-driven decisions. Statistics help in detecting trends, outliers, and relationships in data. Every machine learning model or data analysis project starts with basic statistics. This module is designed to be hands-on, so make sure to follow along and try the exercises as we go. How this module works. Each section will introduce a key statistical concept. We'll demonstrate it using Pandas in Python. You will get hands-on practice with real-world examples. Now that we understand why statistics is essential for data analysis, let's begin the first topic, understanding different types of data. Then we'll get into the rest of the details.